We called this Understanding the Affordable Care Act. We decided not to call it Debating the Affordable Care Act. So, I love a good political discussion just as much as anybody else. If you happen to see me out on the ski trails or out on the sidewalk, later, and you want to talk to me and tell me your political point of view, love to have that discussion. Tonight, there's so much to do just on the understanding side that we're going to kind of stick to. What is it? How does it work? How can you enroll? What can you tell your children or your grandchildren about it? What can you tell your neighbors about it? We're going to focus on understanding, and we'll leave the debates to later. In fact, I'm not even going to tell you whether I like it or I don't like it. I'm just going to tell you how we're dealing with it. Like Barry said, my name's Ray Sharp, Manager of Planning and Preparedness, Community Planning and Preparedness, Western UP Health Department. Our health department didn't have anything to do with the planning of Obamacare, but we're helping with the preparedness for it now. So we kind of jumped into the fray here when we saw that a lot of clear information wasn't getting over to the Western UP, and we thought that we could just try to help have these discussions and conversations and be helpful. Also, is Joanne back there? Yeah, we won't put the spotlight on her, but back in the back of the room waving is Joanne Stark, and she works at our health department, and I want you to know that you can call our health department when you have questions at our office in Hancock. We're in the phone book, and you'll probably be transferred over to Joanne when you have questions about how to enroll in any of the new health insurance programs, or if you want to, give some information to your children about that. We can even schedule office times for you to come in and sit down at Joanne's computer and work on this, or she can answer a question over the phone. So we're going to try to help as the process goes along here over the enrollment period for these new programs, which is going to extend at least to March 31st of next year.